Hi, I'm Karl Moyer. I'm a longtime racer myself. I grew up on the east side, loving to listen to the guys over at the Iowa State Fair. Just the noise was enough to excite an 8-year-old kid at the time. Bristol was one of the racetracks that we used to travel to. It was one of the racetracks that we really looked forward to. You've watched it all on the pavement, but you haven't seen anything, I don't believe, until you see all this happen on dirt. This is going to be a stamina race. It's going to be a test of equipment. I'm your dealer for life, and I'm also your racer for life. I love racing, and thankful for the opportunity to get involved with this 3-race series, Bristol, Texas, and Vegas. Enjoy the race.